There's a lot of things going on right now, and I think the Schumann resonance may have blacked out again. But I have a lot of things I want to show you. I want to show you some pictures of the sun, and I want to show you the Italian graph because I think I found out why it's blacking out. We got a whole lot to get into, so by all means, of course, let's jump right into it. Joe Sky here, back at it again with an energy update. Here's the Schumann resonance. I don't know if you can see this as strong, so let me just put it like this for you so you can get a good look at it. All right, August 20. It's almost August 20. It's like midnight, right? August 21st. We're not getting any data just like yesterday. Now, if you didn't know, it came back on, which is great. And we had minimal activity, which I will cover in just a bit. However, of course, just like yesterday, it stopped around 4 p.m. I don't know why. And nobody's posting any more updates as shown any new data of the Schumann resonance. I went on my other places, Zapper, to look at the Schumann resonance. Their website is completely down, hacked. I got no idea what's going on. So by all means, I got nothing, but I got something even better, and that is the Italian graph. This is the Italian Schumann resonance, if I'm not mistaken, and this thing spikes. This did the same thing in July 29 when we had a blackout. What happened when this thing went bananas? Massive energy. It blacked out. So, yeah, it's tough. So, overall, of course, this is insane energy. I don't know much about this other than the fact that we were hitting a lot of frequency. Um, we kind of exploded, and it's just super intense. That's all I could tell you there. Um, Besides that, of course, this is pretty intense. So whenever something like this happens, I think we get a blackout in the Schumann resonance. So that's just a little theory I am making right now. So um, hopefully, of course, you know you like it. You like the theory, basically, because I think that's what's happening. I honestly, um, I truly think that's literally what's going on right now. I think whenever that thing goes crazy and there's a lot of solar activity, moon activity, celestial activity, it black out. And the Italian chart is also something that, when that thing goes bananas, I think that's what happens. So that's something that we need to do some research on. Um, However, of course, I do think that the Schumann resonance right now is down. Here is a picture of the sun. This is some wild activity right now. Um, as you can see, August 21. So August 21 activity. Um, as you could tell, it is quite active. And here is the sun. It almost looks like there's a little line going down right there. Hopefully you guys can see this very well. A lot of activity on the sun, a lot of solar spots, a lot of coronal mass ejection, solar flares, specifically solar flares. Honestly, I think yeah, there's a lot of solar flares right now. As a matter of fact, I don't know much about the sun as much, but all I could tell you based on data is that there's a lot of solar flares and a lot of sunspots. So this is crazy right now. There's a significant amount of activity happening right now. And I'm gonna refresh this real quick. Again, it's not changing. I don't think we're getting any data here, um, but this is all live data. Um, Things are getting quite crazy with the frequencies and stuff like that. Things are getting quite intense again. Overall, that's what we got going on. So now that we kind of rushed out everything, talk about the Schumann resonance. Again, not much. I mean, activity again. A spike again, a blackout. I'm gonna say we're 14 days of constant activity, one way or another, right? Since August 6th till now, so we're 14 days straight, not having a break. Yesterday was a blackout. I don't count that. I mean, actually, I count that towards the streak of intense energy. So, you know, 14 days. We haven't had a break, really. So overall, of course, covered the sun, talked about the sunspots, a lot of solar flares, a lot of solar activity happening right now. New moon is kicking in. The balsamic moon, which is a part of the is part of the full moon or something like that. It's like a lunar thing of the moon. It's like a crescent part of it. I heard something about that, but I think this new moon is quite crazy right now. It's a black new moon, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna be covering that in a video. You're gonna be seeing that coming out in a few hours. Um, yes, symptoms. Let's talk about symptoms, right? Symptoms. For me, I'm just thinking a lot. I don't even know if that's a symptom, really, but I'm just overthinking. When I woke up, I feel like my internals were mixed up. Like my liver is somewhere else, and my everything moved. Um, Maybe back pain. I don't know. Soreness. Overall, not really phased by the symptoms as much, but I feel weird. Sleep, dreams. My dreams were making me cry, bro. Like, jeez, man, I don't know what I was going through. I was going through a war. You know what I mean? Like my YouTube account got hacked, and I was crying because of that. But anyway, um, I don't know what you guys are going through, but it's common to be dizzy, tired, messed up digestion, throwing up, nauseous, uh, sick, like flus and everything. Like it's this is crazy. So yeah, we're getting smacked. I thought, you know, thought around August 8th, even after that, like the full moon was gonna be intense. Nah, bro, this is bananas right now. Let me know how everyone's doing, but the symptoms are all over the place. I don't know what else is there for me to say. So we covered the symptoms, told you about like all this activity, and then we broke everything down for you guys. Let me know. Comment down below, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what in the world you're going through, and if you've learned something, share in the comment section. I always read the comments. Some people give me like a nice update of their own. But overall, for me, I don't know what's going on. I'm having issues getting that Schumann resonance, but I'm gonna update you in real time. So we'll see what's up. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all next time.